friends, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest Inspired project. I'm actually making the card with you today, and I will have the link where I was inspired from on my website. So I'm following her instructions that are next to me here. So you will need a piece of cardstock. This piece is 4 1/4 by 11. You want to score this one at 2 3/4, and then again at 5 1/2. Your second piece of cardstock, this one is 3 1/2 by 8 1/2, and you will score this one at 2 1/8, and again at 4 1/4. All right, so what we're going to do here, this is our main card. This is a double Z-fold card, so we have that piece and then this piece. Okay, so then we have paper for the inside. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Then we have two pieces that measure 2 1/2 by 4, and they're going to go here and then here. And then for this piece, we have a piece of white that is 1 7/8 by 3 1/4. A piece of paper, pattern paper again. This piece is 1 7/8 by 3 1/4. Then this one is, I'm not sure how big this one is, 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. Okay. All right. Then we have this piece. This piece is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, and our white piece for the greeting is 2 by 3. All right. Let's first go ahead and work on this card. So we're going to take our paper and we're going to adhere it to the inside of the card. And I have a card kit for you. That's why I'm making the video with you, because I did not have enough paper to do the card or show you the card, make the card, and then have the pattern paper. So I'm making the card with you, so I have enough for a card kit. Alright, and this one's going to go here. You can use all the same paper here if you want to, but she used two different kinds, so I thought I would do the same thing. Alright, that one's going to go there, and then this one's going to go here. So that takes care of the first part of our card. Okay, set that one aside. Now we have this one. So we're going to take this big piece. And that's going to go here. Okay, and our other piece is going to go here. And I will have all these measurements on my website as well, but I will link you to hers, because on hers she does have a PDF. It just basically, there's no instructions, it just tells you all the measurements. And then this piece is where you want to write your greeting. So I'm going to put this one on there. It is a really small area, so if you want to use this piece for more pattern paper, you certainly can do that. And then on the back of the card, you know, when it's folded up on the back part, you can put a piece of paper there. All right, so now the trick is you want to glue these two together. Okay, so we're going to do it like that. So the card's not going to open up flat. It's going to open like this. Okay, if you can see that. So it forms the Z there, just like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, close it, put my adhesive on this side. I'm using a good amount, and I'm going to kind of hold it there with my finger because I want this to go on top of this piece. So I want to make sure it's centered in there. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and push it down. Okay, so that's what our card looks like. So now we're going to attach this piece to that piece here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this with my finger now and just put glue on this part here. I can see where I can stop at from these pieces here. Okay, and again, you want to have everything closed just like that. So when the card opens, it looks like that. Isn't that pretty? All right, so now on this piece, I have this piece here for a greeting. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm I'm going to glue this down. And I'm using one of Mamie Made It stamps. I'm actually going to put this on an angle, just for a different look. I'm using her stamp set called Big Time Sayings, and I used the word hello. I already went ahead and inked that with the same ink. This is Paper Tray Ink Melonberry. And I did have to use my Mini Misty tool to get a good image. And I first thought this pattern paper was balloons, or balloons. They're actually water balloons. Alright, so I put my foam squares on there. I gave them a squish. Let's take the backing off. Hard to do when you have absolutely no fingernails. Alrighty, and we're going to put this on the front. So pretty easy card. Just a lot of pieces, right? What do you think? So we have that. So it opens up like that. I love the dimension it gives. Again, if this is a small area to write on, you can of course put it here as well. Do white and white on the back. I probably will do a 4 by 5¼ inch piece here, and I will include that in your card kit. All right, but here is the card kit here. Everything that you see here is in here. I do include the envelope. You will also get this card with an envelope. You can see it does fit into an A2 size card, so you have a card to make and a card to mail. And again, I will include, I'll put a piece of 4 by 5¼ on here, and I will include that in your card kit. All right, my friends, there you have it. Very easy Friday Pinterest Inspire project. To be entered in the card kit, just go to my website. I will have a direct link below. While you're there, you can also look at my pin for this, where I was inspired from. But be the first to comment, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.